Oh, right there. This is our 1959 Axeman Anderson 130. We've been doing a little work to it out in the garage here, getting it ready for winter. One of the things we did was today was we had to turn it off for a while and let the pressure out of it so we could replace the pressure relief valve. It was leaking. This is a good used one, I hope. It was in the Baromatic Van Wert boiler downstairs, so I just stuck it on there. Hopefully that works. The other thing we did was we replaced both of these vents and we put ball valves on them, so if they ever start leaking, shut the ball valve off, unscrew it, screw the new one on, turn the ball valve back on. Pretty neat. Been working in the coal bin too. Let's see if we can get this into shot somehow. I want a deeper bin so I don't have to shovel as much coal around when it gets low. That is our old access port. That's about, I think it's about 6 feet from the bottom of the coal bin, and the reason it is because there's an eave right outside there, since this was the garage door. So, and it's a brick front house, so you can't really go above the top of the garage. That's the top of the garage door right there. So that was kind of limiting our height. So what we did was we went to this back wall and went up a good bit. The bottom here, this bottom line is at about 98 inches. So that's over 8 feet. So we should easily be able to get 5 ton in this bin. There's probably about a ton or so left over in there. And today I just ordered 4 more ton for it. So we'll have 5 ton. This thing's been off for several hours and I just turned it back on and it started up and the fire's going. Just getting heated up now. Got some blue flames in there. And we have our Inkbird temperature controllers here. This one is boiler control. It's set for 165 degrees. It reads in Fahrenheit. So what it will do, it's not exactly like an aquastat, where an aquastat will go to the set point and shut off and then come on 10 degrees below the set point. This will go down 5 degrees and then go up to 5 degrees above the set point. So 165 is really like having your aquastat set to 170 degrees. And this one controls our ashing relay. So no ashing will occur until this is below 120 degrees. So this is the same kind of deal. And this one unfortunately reads in centigrade, so you'll have to excuse that. But the output relay of this is in series with the output relay of this, and this is set for 80 degrees C. So when the boiler fires up and the exhaust is cold, no ashing will happen because that relay will be open. Also, if the fire ever goes out, once the stack below comes down below 80 degrees C, it'll shut off the ashing, which means it won't feed any more coal, it won't push any more ash out, and it won't fill the ash pan up with raw coal. The fan will still run, but that's not a big deal. So that's how that stuff all works. And still have our, this is a dual high limit, so a dual aquastat here. So this still is the safety high limit. That's the high limit right there. So if it goes above, set to 175, that's pretty low. I don't know why it's set there. Usually want to set that something like 190 or 200. So we'll leave it at 180. I don't really want it stoking above that anyway. And this is the dump zone. So this dump zone will come on at about like 195-ish. So yeah, that's how all this works. Get it ready for winter now. I still have to clean the fines out of the doghouse and make sure the end of the auger is okay and everything down in there. And probably clean it up a little bit more. Probably should lube the rollers for the grate too. And then we'll be ready for winter. 1959 Axeman Anderson. Pretty neat.